Hello you guys, and welcome back to another video here at The Pink Print. I am so excited to have you as usual, and I want to thank you for clicking on this video. So if you read the title, you already know today we are talking about how to secure loans. Yes, and we're going to talk a little bit about business and personal loans and what documentation that you might need in order to go ahead and get those funds deposited into your bank accounts. Okay. In order for you to know how to get a business loan, you need to know a little bit of information on what it is and where to go to get it. You can always apply online for business loans at Fundbox, Cabbage, Blue Vine, and many more. You can also get business loans at the bank. The bank is a little bit more strict with what they're going to ask you for, but they definitely do give out business loans and personal loans. You can also go to a credit union. Credit unions are a little more flexible than a traditional bank, and they give out auto loans, home loans, and a varied other loans for business or personal expenses. When you go to get a loan, your lender will typically deposit the money into your bank account, and the funds are there for you to use for the purpose that you asked for them. You will then be responsible to pay back the loan under installment payments, which would be a monthly reoccurring payment to pay back your loan with interest. We're going to talk about the documentation that you may need in order to get your loan secured. That way you have everything prepared before you go, okay? First things first, for your business, of course you're going to need a registered business, an EIN number, a business bank account, and a business address. Yes, a lot of the times when you're asking for a business loan, lenders want to see that you have a lease, a corporate lease, and they also want to see that you have a business bank account for them to deposit the funds into. If you don't have a business bank account, you're going to want to stick with trying to get a personal loan or go and open that business bank account. Online lenders typically want 3 months of bank statements. Sometimes banks can want up to 3 years of bank statements. If you call and ask customer service how many months of bank statements they're going to need in order for you to apply. For a personal loan or a business loan, you're going to need proof of identity. Do you have a social security card, a birth certificate, or a state ID/driver's license, or a passport? Those are definitely going to be on the lender's radar for what you're going to need in order to apply. Your identification cannot be expired, so make sure you have an unexpired identification card. Your lender is also going to want to see that you have proof of income. On the personal end, this could be a W-2 or a pay stub or personal bank statements. On the business end, they're going to want to see your profit and loss. They're probably going to want to see your year-to-date annual taxes, and they're probably going to want to see some taxes from the last 2 years. So it's always good, of course, to do your taxes as a business. If you do have payroll or employees, you can get your profit and loss sheet from your payroll company if you use a company like ADP or QuickBooks. They definitely should have your statements available so that you can just go to them and get your documentation straight from them. Or you can go to your CPA and they should have your documentation as well. But always make sure that you're keeping on file all of your profit and loss, revenue sheets, tax returns for your business and for personal so that you have them at your will whenever you do want to go and get funding. When you apply for a loan online or at the bank or at the credit union, it's going to come and pull as a hard inquiry because they're going to want to see your credit score and all your credit history. What other loans have you had? What credit cards have you had? What debt you are at? Because a lot of times they want to see your debt to income ratio. That way they know if they lend you this money, you're going to be able to pay them back because your overload is not too heavy. And like I talk about in other videos, do not use your personal guarantee for your business if you don't have to get a loan, because you want your business to stand on its own. You don't want your business loan to be attached to your personal credit file, because that is going to make it seem like you have a higher overload of debt than you may actually be taken care of because your business is paying back that loan, not you. So keep them separate as much as you can. Some lenders for a business loan are going to want to see a business plan. They want to know why you want the money, and they're going to want to know how you're going to use the money, okay? So if you don't have a business plan already set up, I have a few different companies that you can use to get your business plan Target Funding is one that you can use to get a business plan. They write it all out for you. And Business Wise Plan, they're also a Net 30 company, so you can definitely use them to get a business plan, and it'll help build your business credit. If you don't know how to build your business credit, of course my course is always available on pinkprint.net, and you guys can grab the course so that you can learn how to build your business credit so that you'll be credit worthy for a loan in the future. So you guys, I hope this video helped you, and I really want everyone to go out and apply for a loan. It's a really huge help to be able to increase your cash flow in your business. So if you can apply, definitely do. If you need any additional help, you can definitely email me. I'll leave my email in the description box because I'm totally here to help. You can also follow me on Instagram at StormiBanks_. DM me, inbox me, whatever. I'm always available to answer questions or help you in the long run. So just a recap of what you're gonna need: proof of identity, a registered business with your business address, your business phone number, and a business bank account, okay? A business plan, proof of income, either a W-2, bank statement, or a profit and loss sheet, or tax returns. You're gonna need 3 months at least of positive bank statements. And when I say positive, I mean income was more than your outtake. So that you at least had $10,000 sitting in your bank account for 3 consecutive months. You're gonna also want to have positive credit history. So make sure that you don't have too much debt overload, and make sure you have at least a 620 score. And of course, have a good reason for why you need the loan. Do you need equipment? Do you need payroll? Do you need a new location? Do you want to expand with marketing and branding? Make sure you have a good reason and detail it out in your business plan so that when you apply, you will get funded. This is nothing new. Businesses get funded all the time. Don't be scared. Just do the work, get the documentation in order, and go out there and apply, okay? Do your research to make sure that you're finding the right company for you. Some companies have really high APR interest rates. Some companies have a really high origination fees. Some companies want you to pay back a week after you get the loan. So make sure that you're finding which company is going to be best for you and the type of loan that you need and what you need it for, okay? I'll see you guys in the next video. Comment below if you have any questions or if you have anything you think that other people may need that I forgot to mention. See you guys next week. Bye!